Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate you the fire exit window, which is nowadays very popular in Mumbai, in especially high-rise buildings, there is a clear opening required for a person to come at the time of panic of fire. As you can see here, we are on very top floor of one of the prestigious buildings. Probably this is not in clear view, but I am almost on 17th or 18th floor, where this window is having a width of 1.4 meter wide and 1.6 meter high. I will demonstrate. A few of the colleagues are standing outside to show how it will open with the gondola they are been outside. I will show you how to open the window from inside for ventilation purpose. They will show the window how it will be open at the time of panic. I will just instruct them to open the window. They are using the key from the outside, a separate key they must be using. Can you show the key? की दिखाओगे? की सेपरेट की, ये आपके हाथ में हैंडल जो है उसको दिखाइए. ये इस तरह से, दिस इज़ a separate key which you have used, a fire exit person has to use while coming. With the help of building management system, they will get this key from the outside. They will. Now we show but this is opening condition. This is the completely opened window condition. This is the limit arm which is used in the bottom, and the one is used in the top, a pair. Then heavy duty butt hinges or comb hinges, they are used 3 in this window, 1, 2 and 3, and anti-fold device is used in this. Okay, then sash seal is used in this, which is always, acts as an anti-burglary or additional locking point, which is always used opposite side of the handle. Now one shutter is opened like this. The other shutter will open, is locked with the help of flying mullion with the tower bolts in it. We have to just the outside person will open this with the help of this long tower bolts. And one more thing, the locking points are there in this particular window, which are employed in the locking, as you can see here probably, which are employed with this shutter in this particular strikers. 1, 2, 3 and 4 strikers are used. 2 are supposed to be fixed in the top and bottom in this shutter. Also 2 are going to be added in this shutter, in the top and the bottom. In this particular shutter, in the top and bottom, 2 more locking points will come. Now I open this shutter. This will be opened completely, and again all the mirror image of the hardwares which we saw in the first panel are being replicated over here. Sash shields are going to be fixed in this. Again 3 sash shields will come, additional locking point. In short, this is now the clear opening. As you can see here, from this passage, a very easily one person of fire brigade can enter inside. At the time of natural ventilation also, this could be kept open for a couple of minutes in a week. Now I show you how to close it. It will be closed like this. This is just a demo video. The gaskets are yet to be fixed in this. And this will be locked. Also this will be locked. Now you can see it's very rigid, and it's safe also. there is a logo put on this window from the outside, so that fire person can identify it by checking on this glass. He can just simply open and come. I will show you, I will request my colleague to show you how it is opened from the outside. Hope you understood the video. If you have any questions, let us know.